how to verify your career history on Singpass. If you want to verify your career history on Singpass, it is fairly quite simple for us to do so. So what we have to do for this is we have to go ahead and then launch the Singpass app, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Now from here you can simply scroll from the recommended tab to the bottom until you see this option called verify your career history right there. So you can tap on this verify your career history. You will need your current work email QOR, or you will need a Singpass if you're in Singapore. So you can tap on the start verification button and you can choose your country, whatever else you reside in, and tap on the select where you select. You can select if you have a Singpass, and then you can tap on next and you can upload and verify that document by connecting to your Singpass or other account. This way you can verify your career history on Singpass. I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in our next video.